Start by removing the end stop from the customer's route. Next, take your water block reduction connector and install it over the 735 microduct. Make sure the gland is all the way open so the fiber can pass through. Now take one of the unused tails and cut off the end with a microduct cutter. Check to make sure the cut is clean and insert it into the water block reduction connector. Inside the HexDome, remove the end cap from the route and then attach your fiber catcher. After the fiber unit has been installed, tighten the gland to secure the fiber in place and seal off the duct. Remove the fiber catcher, exposing the Stingray fiber unit to be stored and spliced for service. After fiber installation, simply remove the reduction connector from the 735 microduct, exposing the fiber unit. Now take a strain relief and cut in half as shown. Take the strain relief and slide the fiber unit into the groove and insert into the microduct. Reattach the reduction connector, securing the fiber unit in place and sealing the pathway. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you and be safe.